Viva Engage is a social network that connects people across borders within a company. It enables employees to communicate, collaborate, and share information in a manner similar to popular social media networks. It is also part of Microsoft Viva, the employee experience platform designed to help people connect, focus, learn, and thrive at work. Viva Engage is structured mainly in communities which are named after specific topics to exchange about. On the left side on Viva Engage, you can see all of your communities which you are a member of. Every member of the community can write a standard message, ask a question, praise colleagues, or create a poll. To share a message or any other content type in a respective community, you first go into the community, then select your respective content type. If it's a standard discussion, you directly can click on Share Thoughts, Ideas, or Updates. Then type in your message. You can of course format the message, include links, images and videos, include GIFs, and attach files. If you would like to notify the members of your community via email, you can simply click on the announcement icon. Once your post is final and ready to be sent, you can easily click on Post. After you have posted your message, your colleagues from the community will be able to like the message or comment on it. A quite new feature of Viva Engage is the function Storylines. The storyline is directly connected to your profile, and there you can share different stories with your followers. Once you create a story, those followers will be notified. You can of course also share messages, ask questions, praise colleagues, and create a poll. This content will also be added to your specific and personal storyline. To create a story, you can click on the Create button, and then you will be able to decide if you would like to create a new story from scratch or if you would like to upload an already recorded video. You can record yourself, you can record a screen, or you can also record audio. Once you have created your story, you can post it in your storyline and your followers will be able to watch the story. And that's all for now around Viva Engage. Now you can check it out yourself. Enjoy and goodbye.